Hello, my name is Mrs. Yamuna Paudel. My qualification is Senior Secondary Pass, working as a primary teacher with 32 years of experience. The name of my state is Sikkim. It is the second smallest state in the country and the least populated state of India. Sikkim is divided into 4 districts: East, West, North and South. I am from South District and it is rich in nature, having diverse flora, fauna, river, lake, hot spring, etc. Apart from nature, it has many religiously significant places like Chardham, Buddha Park, Samdukche, etc. The name of my school is Government Primary School, Upper Tanak. It was established on 1989 as Lower Primary School. It is situated in Timi Nanding constituency. Total number of students is 17. They all belong to backward classes and most of them are first generation getting educated. As it is a rural area having poor network, it is very difficult to do online activities. Most of the parents don't have a smartphone to avail the facility. Nevertheless, we tried by calling individual students and sending notes to neighbors who has a smartphone. They have helped us a lot in this pandemic. We also tried homeschooling to keep the children in touch with learning materials, but it was not easy to do so. When we started going to their home, parents were scared that we might be infected. Zero Investment Innovation for Education initiative. Before this training, I didn't know what ZIIE means. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Prasant Rana sir, who has introduced us to Zero Investment in 2018. I learned many things from Mr. Prasant Rana sir and I try implementing them. I would also like to thank Mr. Gopal Sharma sir, who reintroduced it in 2019. And finally, thank you Mr. Swayandip Som sir for your creative and energetic ways. I got a chance to learn so many innovative ideas from you. Through innovative Pathshala training, we attend our weekly webinars very smoothly. After attending the webinars, I can handle those children who belong to different categories too. Some are slow learner who needs special care, some are shy type who feel hesitant to respond, and some are backbenchers and some are CWSN, children with special need. Every lesson I give them roles and I ask them to perform their role perfectly. After attending ZIIEI training, I started to teach with roles, role plays and through games. And sometimes I take them outside to learn with real object and real situation. Sometimes I use play-way method to teach mathematics, English, environmental studies, etc. Ask them to play indoor game. For instance, in subjects like English, I write opposite words separately in few pieces of paper which is then distributed among the students using lottery-like system. After which they make pair with the correct students who is assigned as their opposite word. In mathematics, I make some cheat and write the name of different numbers like odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, etc. As before they are given the cheat and as per the assigned name they have to write down as many numbers of the category as they can in assigned time. Such activities encourage students to learn through and enjoy as they learn. Due to low enrollment in my school, I use all the students to play the role, but the timing is never the same, which makes them prepared for their lesson all the time. In this way, they learn their lesson without extra burden. Role play helps us to improve attendance. Almost 80% of children got 100% attendance. So I strongly recommend our school to be chosen for role model school. Lastly, I would like to thank Mr. Swayandip Som sir Sri Aurobindo Society, ZII, EI, and HDFC Bank. Thank you all.